going to show you how to automatically continue your Claude Code message when your usage limit has been reached. So as you can see right now, I already used the 5-hour limit. So the resets was actually a couple hours, and now it's I'm showing like what happens when you check the auto continue when limit resets. When the reset comes, it's gonna automatically send a message inside Claude Code to automatically continue this. ChatGPT Codex does not have that yet, so I hope it's gonna have, because yeah, so as you can see, it's automatically sending the try again message. I didn't touch anything, so it says try again. So it's gonna resume whatever it was doing earlier, and so it's gonna continue that. And as you can see, it's working right now. And I'm gonna click on the usage limit just to show you right here. So as you can see, I didn't touch anything. It's automatically resume by itself. So that's pretty cool feature to have, and Codex should have that pretty soon as well, because if people complain about not being able to automatically resume the usage once it resets by itself, then this is a pretty cool feature to have. And so right now it auto continue, even though it says 5-hour limit is 100%, but it does not refresh yet, because if it was 100%, it would not be able to continue working on here. So it says resets at 7 p.m. So I have a weekly usage limit reset. So this is not the 5-hour. And as you can see, the 5-hour limit is resetting in 4 hours, 58 minutes. So if you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.